Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. This week I'm looking at how to fix the teak that's been painted over. Previous owner had painted all the teak white. In fact, painted a lot of things white. So I'm trying various ways to remove the excess paint and paint pigments. This week I'm going to try teak oil. The idea is that it'll float the paint off. Thank you for watching. Hey, today I'm going to do some work on my teak. As you can see, these teaks are covered in paint. It's flaking off. It's really nasty. Up in the fly bridge there was some paint on everything up there, and it's mostly flaked off now, but for some reason these stairs have been resistant. Well, that's the future story. Today we're going to take a look at everything down here. See this beautiful railing is all messed up. And then these stairs are actually almost all the way clean. Same with the ocean emblem. So what I'm going to do is spread a little bit and see what happens on these. It's just an experiment. They're dry, I know that, but it's something I want to do. Hi! Welcome back. I'm showing how to do a little teak. Put some oil into the teak that's all dried out and nasty. Yes, this is not live, but it will be on video someday soon. Like Monday. Some of this has been flaking off for years. Just kind of comes up as it comes up. I'm not going to push this. This is just, what do we got going here? Oops, teak oil all over the deck. Which doesn't matter. That isn't paint. So, I don't know. Doesn't add all that much to it. I'm just curious if allowing oil will make the rest of it go faster. So that is that part. Next up are these stairs and ocean. So I'm going to try ocean first. See what happens up there. We're starting to see something here. Hey. See, I'm not worried about excess. It soaks it right in. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now stair. Let's see how this does. I'm going to do this a little different because it's a flat surface. And I know what it is. And that is looking good, isn't it? These 4 stairs. And I'll come back later with another cleaning and another oiling. These definitely need it all. There we go. Here, add a little more to the emblem. Let it soak in. Okay. Now. And see, it's soaking right in. That's so dry. Soaking right in. That's so dry. And up here, this actually, some of this wood shows some improvement. Good. To do all this was a major effort, so it's not, this is just an experiment to see if it'll work. I'm very happy now, yes. A lot happier than I thought I'd be. Here comes another cruiser in. They went out for the day. It's a beautiful day on the Potomac. Temperatures are in the 70s, 80, maybe. Light breeze, 6 to 8 knots. So several went out, enjoy the day out there. Soon, that's all I can say is soon. Please like and subscribe to Buena Ventura Life. Appreciate your comments also. Thank you.